Welcome in Ohouse. My name is Casey.
And my name is Megan, and this is our home.
We like to say a lot is we like being girl in her apartment vibes. So like any time you can romanticize like being alone or being together, like looking out the window longingly or making yourself a salad and eating it and listening to music, like we like being girls in her apartment.
There was one day we came home on like a Saturday afternoon. We had spent the whole day at the park, so we were really close to Golden Gate Park. And we came home and like the light was hitting just right and it was so beautiful in here. And we looked at our pink chairs and our like magic woman and like our beautiful art. We're like, this is
Feminine Oasis.
a feminine oasis. Yeah, like this is girls.
Recently we've been in this era where we're like, if something's not more fun than sitting on this couch hanging out with each other, which is by the way so fun, but then it's like, then why did I leave? And so home is just like, I don't know.
It's already so good that like leaving and doing something else, like, and we're social, we like to have fun.
Yeah,
but it's always like, it needs to be more fun than literally just like sitting here talking to your best friend, which is pretty good.
So yeah, home is that.